Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. It's a Sunday evening and today I have decided to cook duck roast for dinner. It's duck legs that I'm roasting and you can watch me as I roast these legs. It's a very simple dish to make, just salt and pepper, seasoning, and I have goose fat that I'm going to be putting on it. We're just going to prick the legs, season on both sides, and put it in the oven for an hour and a half at 160 degrees centigrade. I already have my oven turned on at 160, so that should be done. Now, one of the things you got to make sure is your duck legs are at room temperature. So if you have them in the fridge, bring them out, let them come down to room temperature, and then put it in to the oven. So let's show you how this is done. So the first thing you need to do with your duck legs is make sure they're patted dry. So get some kitchen towel and make sure that you pat them dry, both sides. Get all the moisture out. Finally, the last leg. You need to do is where the leg is, just make sure you score it a little. So can't do that with a fork. I'm using a knife to do that. And then next thing we'll do is season it. Now what I have done is I've blitzed and I've got fresh ground peppercorn, which I'm just going to sprinkle liberally on both sides of the leg. Then with the salt, one side done, other side done. And then we're going to put some, a couple of tablespoons of goose fat and just marinate it well in that. It's going to come out really succulent. Put it in the tray. Put the tray across here so you can see. And this will go in for an hour and a half, and then we'll see how crispy and great it's gonna come out. Right, I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Got the oven at 160. Is beautiful. Let's put it in and shut the oven door. I'm just going to put the timer on for an hour and a half. There you go, that's done. We'll come back in an hour and 30 and see how it is doing. Now, some people come back halfway through and have a check. If you want, you can do that. I've used goose fat. You can use duck fat or any fat that you have at home if you don't have goose fat. But goose fat makes everything taste so yum. That's it. We'll see you in a bit. We'll check on the duck now. Bring it out of the oven and we'll have a look at how it is. There it is. all crisped up and ready to be served. Show it to you on my plate next. Right, here it is. My duck served up with spinach, carrots and roast potatoes. And you're going to cut into it and see and taste what it's like. And it's fully cooked, succulent and delicious. Let's taste it. Fabulous. You need to make sure that you rest the duck leg for 10 minutes before you serve it up. Try my recipe, let me know how you get on, and see you till the next time. Remember to like and subscribe for more such yummy dishes.